Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a challenging physics question. This is about reflection and refraction topic. The question is in front of you. We have to find the angle of refraction means we have to find this angle. This is the data what they have given to us. This is a prism. The prism is made up of plastic. So inside the prism there is plastic. Outside the medium is air. They're asking us to find this angle. This is angle of refraction when ray of light goes from prism to air. So guys, there is two medium. One is air to prism, air to plastic. Air is a less dense medium, plastic is a more dense medium. So when you have this situation, a ray of light is entering from a less dense medium to a more dense medium, then the formula is n is equals to sine I upon sine R. Now we have to find sine R. First we have to find this R. This is also an angle of refraction. So we have to find this sine, we have to find this R, and refractive index is given 1.46. So n is equals to 1.46. Angle of incidence is 70 degree. This is angle of incidence. Sine 70 degree upon sine R. I will bring sine R here. So sine R is equals to sine 70 degree over 1.46. So guys, when I will solve this by using my calculator, I will be getting 0.6436 and R will be equals to sine inverse of 0.6436 40.1 degree. This is the angle of refraction. You can say the first angle of refraction R. But I have to find the second angle of refraction, this R. This question is a bit easy till this point. After this point, it is a bit challenging. Now, guys, what I am going to explain is a geometry of prism. Hello, guys. Now, look here. This part of prism. Look here, this part of prism. This, which I am making with an orange color. This part. Focus this part, guys. So this is a quadrilateral. So for a quadrilateral, the sum of angle is 360 degree. We have to find this angle first. Let's see how we can find this angle. This angle is 90 degree because this is normal. Guys, remember normal is always in a dotted line. But here I find it difficult to draw a dotted line. So I make a complete line. But guys, remember normal is always in a dotted line. So this angle is 90 degree because normal is always 90 degree at this first face. Similarly, this angle is 90 degree. Quadrilateral, four-sided shape. In a quadrilateral, the sum of angle is always 360 degree. So in this green color four-sided quadrilateral, guys, this A, I'm calling it A, this is 60 degree. Then this first one, this is 90 degree. This second one, this is 90 degree. And this one, I don't know what exactly this is. This is what we have to find, so I'm calling it Z. This is equals to 360 degree. So Z will be equal to 360 degree minus 90 and minus 60. So guys, 360 minus, when I solve this, This z will be equals to 120 degree. Okay, guys, correct. Now you guys can see there is a triangle as well. Like this is a triangle. Yes, this is a triangle. So in a triangle, you guys now sum of angle is equal to 180 degree. And this r is 40, and this we don't know what is this. So we say this is we can call it y. Like this angle we can call it y. So in a pink color triangle, this r plus this z plus this y is equals to 180 degree. R is 40.1, z is 120 degree, plus y you have to find. So 40.1 plus 120 degree. So when you solve it, you will get y is equals to 19.9 degree. So guys, it means you can say this y. This is now angle of incidence for this ray. So this is angle of incidence. So here, but here you can see light is entering from denser medium to less denser medium to air medium, from plastic to air. You can see light is entering from plastic to air. So and formula is n is equals to sine r over sine I. And refractive index is 1.46. R, which is angle of incidence here. I sorry, R, which is angle of refraction, which is we have to find, and I is here 19.9. So 1.46 times sine 19.9 is equals to sine R. So when you solve this, 1.46 times sine 19.9, you will get 0.496 is equals to sine r. So when you take sine inverse of 0.496, so your final answer will be 29.79 degree, which is approximately 30 degrees. So answer is 30 degree. So this is how I have solved this question. This is really a challenging question. I also offer one-on-one tutoring session. Thank you so much for watching. I would say do share this video with your classmates. Have a nice day.